My name is Hawkins. I am a software engineer by trade. My current occupation is an instructor for Coding Temple. What I enjoy most at Coding Temple and teaching is just the environment in general. Ours is laid back. It's a little more reminiscent of how it works in the real life. To keep the curriculum up to date, sometimes we'll have students who come in, maybe a year later, saying, hey, we're learning this new thing. And then, they say this is the industry standards. Sometimes if it makes sense, we'll just weave that into the curriculum. Usually students start rolling in around 9 o'clock, start class at 9:30, do a combination of a mixture of doing real world projects as well as a little bit of theory during the morning. And then we'll hit it hard. Those mostly be, some projects that we have to deal with. But usually starting around week 5, I have them start thinking about a final project or a capstone project as we like to call it. And that capstone project, that'll encompass everything from those previous 10 weeks that we've learned up until that point, and they just pour it all into this project. JavaScript, Java, C#, Python. Those are some of the forerunners of popularity for some of the languages that are most widely used. But what Coding Temple does, we take that, we understand that, bit of data, and we try to teach, not only the most popular language, but we'll also try to teach some of the most popular tools to use with that language. The instructors have already been tried and tested in the industry, so we can kind of boil down everything that we had to learn over 5 to 7 years, boil all that down into 3 months, and we'll make you proficient developers out of that.